The Pongs Group develops, produces, prints and distributes textiles and foils. The company is the international leader in producing and coating of super wide and heavy cloth. Textiles are processed up to 7.1 yards in width. Quality, flexibility and expertise are key values at Pongs. The Pongs Group functions as a production line consisting of a weaving mill, knitting, finishing plant and digital printing operation. We constantly develop new products for new markets. This is how 10,000 varieties of our product come into being. The main manufacturing plant is located in Mühltorf in the state of Sachsen. The plant is one of the most up-to-date textile production centers in the world. Key products are textile media, decorations and interior finishes. At Pongs, new products are often designed by customer request. Members of the developing team use their expertise to search for the best solution. Rapid development is guaranteed since all levels of production are within one location. The company's laboratories constantly search for new and innovative varieties of our products. Quality control begins with a careful reception control. The special thing about it is the quality control of the product from start to finish. That is, from the initial material to the final delivery. Customer complaints at Pongs are less than 0.1%. The whiteness and evenness of the yard are tested under strict guidelines in the laboratory. Production at Pongs is fully integrated and highly effective. Our machines are put in place as to accommodate orders of any textile on the market, with a weave length between 2 and 7.1 yards. Yarn processing starts with the preparation for the weaving mill and warping. Altogether, the weaving and the knitting plant have the capacity to produce 1.9 million square yards of textile per month. The Pongs Group coats its textiles with polyurethane and is constantly developing new formulations. The material seals the textile surface for a brilliant high color quality when printed. The coating is extremely compatible. Employees do not need special protective clothing at the machines. Polyurethane is biocompatible and up to 90% biodegradable. We're thinking green at Pongs. The company uses a completely organic clarification plant to filter the factory's wastewater. It's wastewater that can be charged with polyurethane. This will be filtered out through a filtration plant. For example, coloring wastewater, which has already been filtered through an ozone reactor. The company's own photovoltaic installations produce energy, which is given in part to the municipal power network. The generated heat is reused through a recycling system and saves extra energy. The drying heat is basically reused for further processing. This way, we save 30% energy. The plant in Mühltorf is located within a Class 3 water conservation area. It underlies strict regulations of the Nature Conservation Guidelines. This green idea is found in all Pongs products. For the coloring of textiles, Pongs uses the only jigger available worldwide which can process fabric up to 5.9 yards in width. The high quality of Pongs textiles is assured through a constant process control, which lists any machine breakdowns and downtime. Flaws are quickly discovered and corrected through this complete backtracking. There is also an in-house digital printing division at Pongs. Its primary role is to develop new products for new markets. Textile architecture is one of the most promising new market areas. Pongs produces textile membranes for ceilings and walls. These highly flexible systems are quickly, easily, and cleanly mounted. More innovation and service for satisfied customers. Throughout the entire fully integrated production process, the product receives numerous quality inspections. After the final inspection and a last affirming look during packaging, the seal is set. Pongs is quality made in Germany. The company is rooted in Germany and present throughout the world. 50 to 60% is exported, the majority to Russia, Europe, and the US. Pongs is a strong brand of the highest order. The Pongs Group consists of the business areas Pongs Textile, Pongs Technical Fabrics, and Pongs Digital Printing. The cooperation of all these production units is one of a kind in Europe. Wholesale dealers and digital printmakers benefit from the high-quality fabric. Decorative and functional, the possibilities are endless. Pongs, design through innovation.